Namaste friends, my name is Nisha Thakur and I am a maths online tutor, and today we will solve a nice algebra problem. If given a square minus b square equal 24 and ab equal 35, so we have to find out a plus b value. We can say this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. From equation 1, we can write one more time here a square minus b square equal 24, and we can write, because this is difference of a square, so we can factorize easily a plus b, a minus b. Now taking both side square, left hand side and right hand side. Okay, so this is a plus b square and this is a minus b square, because here multiply and whole to the power 2, it means each member, each parenthesis has a square. 24 square is 576. Okay, now a plus b whole square, we can expand this. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, and here this is a square minus 2ab plus b square, and this is 576. Now here ab, and we know that ab value 35, so we can substitute here. So a square plus 2 AB value 35 plus B square, and here A square minus 2 AB value 35 plus B square. Okay, 576. Okay, so 2 times 35 is 70 and this is also 70. Can we rearrange A square plus B square plus this 70? Okay, and here a square plus b square minus 70. Okay, 576. Okay, can we write in this parenthesis this one, so we can imagine this is a plus b and a minus b. Okay, here a value x square plus b square and b value 70, so we can apply this difference of squares. Okay, like this. So a square plus b square whole square minus 70 square equal 576. Okay, a square plus b square whole square minus 70 square is 4900, and this is 576. Now transfer this 4900 right hand side, so it will be add with this one. So a square plus b square whole square equal, here we can add this plus 4900. Okay, a square plus b square, and this is 6 plus 0 6, 7 plus 0 7, 5 plus 4 14, and 4 plus 1 5. So this is a square plus b square is plus minus 74. Okay, this is third equation. Okay, we have to find out a plus b value, right? So can we do a plus b whole square? It means a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a plus b square can we rearrange, because we know that a square plus b square, so we can rearrange this: a square plus b square plus 2ab. And now we know that a square plus b square value from equation 3, this is plus minus 74, and plus 2ab value is 35 from equation 2. Okay, it is given. So here we can write 35 plus minus 74 plus 70, and this is a plus b square value, right? So we can take first time positive and then negative. So positive 74 plus 70, or a plus b square uh, equal negative value, so minus 74 plus 70. Okay, here positive, here negative. A plus b square equal, this is 144, and taking both side is square root, so a plus b equal plus minus 12, and this is a plus b square, this is minus 4. Okay, now taking both side square root, this is a plus b equal plus minus 2i, imaginary number, because here in square root underside here negative value, so square root minus 1 value is I. Okay, we apply this. So what is the answer? Actually, a plus b, it means plus minus 12 or plus minus 2i. So this is really easy question. Just follow my steps. But if you have any doubt, please ask me. And if you liked my video, so please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.